Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to sign up crypto.com account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search crypto.com login and press enter. Now here various websites will be presented. You need to click on login to crypto.com price. Now you will be led to this kind of page, and at the downside you can see this option. You need to click on that. Now firstly you need to enter your email and create yourself password. You can also continue as crypto.com app user. After that, all you need to do is click on this checkbox. Now here you need to click on this option to verify. Now all you need to do is click on sign up. Now a confirmation link will be sent to your email address. Go and make sure to check it. Now all you need to do is click on this option. Now simply click on continue. And after the verification process, your crypto.com account will be created. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.